Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make music sound muffled on CapCut. So the first thing you have to do, open your CapCut project and let's start to editing. And here I already have the CapCut project with the video and the music, but I will let you reducing the volume of my music first so that you can focus with the tutorial. And after you already insert or add the music on your video clip, and now the things that you need to do is just go click the clip sections or the music sections on your project. And after that, they will be activating several options here, but before doing that, go click again until this music part is active. And whenever it's active, new features will be activated, which is one of them called the voice effects, and then you just need to go click this part. And now you just need to go into the retro and slide your screen here into the left side until you find the microphone, and then you just need to go click it. And now you just need to go click check this button and you will get the muffled music on your video. So that's the way how to make your music sounds muffled on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.